Hi there. I saw that you have posted a job online for building backlinks for your website. It is obvious that you want to build backlinks for ranking your website on first page of Google or other search engines, which is understandable, because 80 to 90% of the business goes to the companies which are listed on first page of Google. I was going through your website and found that you have used the keyword auctions and appraisals on the home page. But let me show you here that there are no searches for this keyword. However, there are a good number of searches for keyword auctions Vancouver, as I am showing you on screen. If I perform a search using keywords auctions Vancouver, you are not appearing on page 1. Not in Google 3-pack even. How does one get on first page of Google? To be ranked on first page of Google, the business needs to earn Google's trust. To earn Google's trust, following factors are important. First is good content. Google loves good content. Second, good website structure. Third is good meta descriptions. And there is a huge scope of improvement in all these three areas in your website. Then comes off-page SEO, which includes backlinks, online reputation management, testimonials, etc. I can help you fix all these issues and build required backlinks very quickly. My work will guarantee first page ranking within 45 to 60 days for keywords which have good number of searches. I am based at Surrey. Please feel free to contact me for any further assistance. I will be happy to help. Looking forward to speaking with you soon. My contact details are given in this email itself. Have a nice day. Please note that this video has been created using our spokesperson. I can also create explainer videos for your business to post on your website to boost the rankings.